Welcome to Brainfeed Magazine. From this article, you will learn about the challenging yet fun number puzzle Sudoku. Let's get started. Sudoku is a number puzzle game that has captured the interest of people worldwide. Even so, people easily lose their interest to play this game due to its hard-to-understand logical nature. Sudoku consists of a 9x9 grid divided into 9 3x3 subgrids. Every row, column, and 3x3 subgrid is filled with numbers 1 to 9 without repeating any numbers within the same row, column, or subgrid. Though the rules are simple, the challenge lies in the complexity of the puzzles, which can range from easy to extremely difficult. Sudoku Championship. The World Sudoku Championship (WSC) is an annual event where the best Sudoku players from around the globe come together to compete. Participants solve a variety of Sudoku puzzles and variants within a fixed time limit, showing their speed, accuracy, and logical thinking. India has a strong presence in the world of Sudoku, with the Indian Sudoku Championship (ISC) being a key event for Sudoku enthusiasts in the country. Organized by the Logic Masters India (LMI), the ISC selects the best players to represent India in the World Sudoku Championship. This national event is held annually and attracts participants from all age groups, including students. Sudoku, a fun game. Why you should play Sudoku more often? Boosts brain power. Sudoku helps improve concentration, logical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Reduces stress. Sudoku can be a relaxing activity that helps reduce stress and anxiety. Encourages persistence. Completing a Sudoku puzzle requires patience. It teaches you the importance of sticking with a task and seeing it through to the end. Accessible and inclusive. Sudoku doesn't require any special equipment or skills, making it accessible to anyone who enjoys a good mental workout. Whether playing casually or competing in championships, Sudoku will always offer a unique perspective. So, grab a Sudoku puzzle and start solving. You never know, you might become the next Sudoku champion. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Sudoku is a logic-based number game that challenges players of all ages and skill levels. While seemingly simple, Sudoku can be incredibly complex and rewarding. From local competitions to the World Sudoku Championship, Sudoku has a thriving competitive scene with India actively participating. Playing Sudoku offers numerous cognitive benefits, including improved concentration, problem-solving skills, and stress reduction. We hope you liked this story.